B-25 Liberator.
Well, we're helping. This is Elizabeth and Rebecca.
Obviously, this has been modified for the Marines, but same principle.
Probably don't remember. Been a while.
Devil dog. Can we get close to it?
Got all the bad stuff off.
Some of it, sorry, the valve itself or the thread? Let the wiping move.
Oh, look at that 50 caliber.
Carry on, man.
So you want to look inside?
Nah, it's too crowded.
Huh?
It's too crowded.
Where does the fourth plane, the fourth boat have a different?
It's the same. The Rising Sun flag.
Okay, can we get going?
Probably was a different type of ship that had a different...